Alright everybody, welcome back to some more Pokemon Ruby. It is I, Xilestar, and today... Alright, so I wanted to see if what I did was correct before I go ahead and talk about anything else. Did it right? Yes! Alright, so I did do it right. Okay. So, I wanted to mention this before we go into any more detail. Okay. So, here's exactly what I did before I go into too much more detail about what. So pretty much the simplest thing that I did is that I tried to change my Torchic to saying that it came from an egg in Little Town, because that's exactly what we got. Ignore the egg thing at the end. Now, you want to know what's really funny though? It's not as simple as 1, 2, 3, okay? Apparently, either the software I'm using, that I've used for even Gold, Silver, and Crystal to start off with the legendaries and stuff like that. That's not a mod, by the way. I modified the save file at the end. Or at the beginning, technically, in that case. So, all I did was that I had to change the... had to make a new encounter of a Torchic that was hatched from an egg, mind you. And with that, I made sure that it had the same nature. It does. It has the same nature. It has the same IVs and EVs to the letter. It has the same experience. Like, everything's identical. Even the name, like, everything, even the move pool is exactly the same, in the same position as it was with the other one. The only difference, of course, is that this one has the encounter that it should have. The key word here is should have. Now, if you're wondering, oh, it's simple, you could just click is egg and then you can change the met location. You actually can't. I checked. I literally did. I literally checked. Hang on, I might even be able to pull it up here. I'll pull it up here. I don't know if it's gonna like it that I'm using the save, but who cares, right? Who cares? Who really cares? Because it's used in another program. I had a feeling. Oh wait, no, I might not be able to save it and I'll load it, maybe. No, it just doesn't like it. Okay. Let me just see if I can copy the save out of the folder, and we'll see if it'll load. Where's Ruby? There it is. There we go. Alright, let's see if it'll load it now if I load that copy. There we go. Okay. So I can show you exactly what it kept giving me, because I wanted to do something similar with the Rowls, okay? So keep in mind, okay? This is not the current version, because I don't think I need to do the current version. Where is window capture? There it is, window capture. Okay. Select the window to capture, we'll do this. Boom, there we go. Alright. So I'll take over the screen with this for now, just so you can actually see it, okay? So this is... oh wait, I should probably just grab that. There we go, okay. Nope, not enough. There we go, okay? So this program right here is called PK Hex. You probably have heard of it before. If you haven't, allow me to explain. So, very quickly. So this application allows you to change certain Pokemon statistics and everything like that. So that's how I was able to change this Torchic. So I'll click view here so you can see it. That's how I was able to change this Torchic's EXP rate. Oh, and its friendship. I changed it to the same, to be the same. I literally hit copy paste. Honest. So that's how I was able to change this to Little Root and Pokeball. Change all its stats to what it is in its IVs and EVs. I didn't properly check. I just copy pasted what it said. And so all I did, okay, is that I went to Elspeth, which is our routes, and all I did is I clicked this. Okay? Then I checked this. What this actually does is that it checks to see if it's a valid Pokemon. And what I got was that invalid Met level 0. That seems kind of weird, but okay. Encounter type PID mismatch. So what this means is that it doesn't understand the encounter because it's not reading what it should be. And current level below mystery gift level. It's not a mystery gift, so why are you telling me it's below mystery gift level? So I want to see on camera what happens if I change this to 0 and reset the PID, which is re-rolling, and seeing if that changes anything. Still mismatch and below mystery gift level. Why is it below mystery gift level? I have no idea. So here's what I did to fix the Torchic right here, okay? So I went to the tools, data, and there's an encounter database. What you need to do is you need to load this, and it'll load up all the different encounters that are legal in the game. So we're gonna search up routes, all right? And it says that, let's see. So Route 102 in Ruby is a legal encounter. What? That doesn't make sense, because it's telling me here it's not a legal encounter. And then it's telling me you can get it in an egg. So let's see if I were to load this one. Does it load what I want? The first one's a female. So let's rename this then. Rename it to Elspeth. And let's click set. So this is exactly what I did for Zergo here. Alright, the only difference is that the encounter is different. So here's what I did. So I clicked view. Okay, let's see here. So we have naughty. Friendship is 39. Alright, so friendship 39. So we change this to 39. Set. Technically, I could hover over and just change it. Met 102 Pokeball. That makes... Yeah, they look identical. No change there. Stats, let's see here. Health is 2. Yep. Attack is 0. True over here. Attack is 31. Okay. It's 31. Uh-oh. And there you go. Yeah, I got an error already. This didn't happen with Zergo. But I think it's because... But I didn't change the stats, though. Like, I'm changing the stats now. Okay, maybe if I go with all of them, it'll detect it. See, I have two theories with this. One is that this software was never designed for Pokemon Ruby and below kind of thing. Because I can't even tell it if it should be an egg. Okay? So hold on, I'll show you what you can, yeah, we'll close it. So I'll show you what you can do in the modern games, alright? So this is a Petra Runt, alright? From the current version of Pokemon Scarlet. You know what you can do with this? If I go under Met, oh my god, I can tell it's an egg. And that's what I mean. Not very fun now, is it? So I'll figure out if there's another one that's better. I guess it's probably a weird way of phrasing it, but I'll try and find one that will work specifically just for like Pokemon Ruby and Sapphire, or I can find another routes, name it Elspeth or something like that. I figured that just trying, and all I want to do is change the gender because it makes more sense. For the, what is the Pokemon name? For Balmore here, I think it's fine. We do want to See if we can find a Pokemon. Actually, I shouldn't go speed up right now. So, I'm sorry. I wanted to fully come clean with that. I was able to do Zergo, though. That's pretty much what that whole entire, like, thing was about, though. Was that I did do Elsbeth. I did do Zergo. I tried to do Elsbeth because, well, Elsbeth was a human female that turned angel. So I figured having ours do the same thing would make more sense. Go, Hugsbellow! Yeah. Just want to get enough experience, though, so we can actually take care of everything. But I didn't change any of the IVs. As you saw, I was being very honest. If I really wanted to, I would change Gardevoir to being, or Elspeth to being a full special attacker. I could. But I was being honest. I grabbed what it had and used it as my as the new number, pretty much. I wasn't dishonest. I literally moved everything as it is. So that Zergo, if it was much easier for me to do the transition, I would have done it. If the only thing I could have changed was just the Met location and it would still say tournament legal kind of thing, hey. And you might be wondering, why am I trying to make it tournament legal? The reason why is because sometime in the future, I do want to be able to have like sort of a, I don't want to say mystery gift, but I do want to give away the Pokemon that, like, we come to know and love in the series kind of thing. So, like, if I were to, let's say, have a giveaway of all the Pokemon from the 3rd generation, and you see Hugsbellow, you know that's the Hugsbellow from this series, right? Because, like, that's what I want, right? Do they say what date I caught them? No, they don't say. They don't tell you the date that I caught them. Okay. Just curious. Because here's what I'm thinking. Okay, maybe in the future, I will reset the Gardevoir. Whatever, to have a female. Unless there's a way you can do it, right? Sorry, I'm trying to find a new encounter. So that's what I'm trying to find. But I'm also trying to get new experience. I'm trying to get more experience as well on top of that, so it's like, eh. And if anybody's wondering, what do I mean? I did it in the last, like, main series games. Obviously, you can't start with a Lugia or a Ho-Oh. And that's what I mean. I changed what was it? I changed them to be legal encounters once they reach that level. I still kept them with the same stats as I had them at the last possible stage. And I kept them with the same moves, and if I used a PP up or PP max kind of thing, I kept it same thing. Made them virtually identical. The only difference is that obviously I didn't start off with them. And the same thing with the legendary dogs. Except for that was a lot more difficult to try and get them the same way. But eventually it worked out, so. Well, yes, I could actually look up if there's an easier method of doing it. But I feel like that's not really needed. Okay, hopefully I... Come on, just give me the Pokemon already. I don't care what it is, just give it to me.